investing in automotive news. This is the 2022 Ford Maverick over here at MaverickTruckClub.com. This is one of the members, DeVito. He bought his new truck. This was posted on Tuesday. So this is the Lariat FX4 with some aftermarket 1552 wheels, 17x8 in the bronze color, 245, 65, 17 with BFGs. What do you think? There's also some new trucks, some people's reviews on here. I'm just going to show you real quick. I just wanted to show you guys what this truck is looking like. You know, I posted a video up on the Facebook page about the Ford Maverick, and someone, a member and Facebook friend on there, decided to go test drive one and went out and bought it. So it's kind of crazy how many people are really enjoying this truck. So this is the 2-liter Ecoboost with all-wheel drive. I think it looks awesome. This is FX4 package. So let's go over here and check out some of the other guys, what they're talking about. There's a few topics that are trending. One of the members bought a new truck and went on like a 1,200-mile road trip. This guy has a really cool story about one of the first edition Ford Mavericks. He was car shopping, was disappointed with a few of the dealerships that he went to. The customer service essentially was looking at Rangers, which were a bit cheaper priced vehicles, and then he ended up buying a first edition. There was a special order and the guy didn't take it, and he ended up picking it up and finding out later that it was a first edition and that it was a special truck. So the first edition is a Lariat. First edition package is a $1,500 extra, and it comes with the FX4, although I believe it comes with the FX4. I'm pretty certain because it definitely is a Lariat. I believe it is a FX4 because of the black wheels. They just don't put the FX4 badge because it is a first edition. They have this first edition graphics on the hood and the side. They don't call it a FX package is what it is. But you can see it does have the 4K tow package. It does have the first edition, which is the tonneau soft cover, the moonroof, the wheels. So maybe it is not. Regardless, what it does have is the black mirror caps, the vinyl on the hood and the side. I believe on the Ford website it does say that it has a black top, which I think that is accurate. I think it's a great truck, especially the first edition package. I think it looks amazing. So, it's going to be $35 plus $1,500 for delivery. So $36,500, and that's a fully loaded truck. And on the Lariat, you're going to get this nice brown leather interior. Yeah, I think it's a cool truck, man. It's a cool little truck to get around town, get decent gas mileage. You still got a truck bed. And who doesn't like new trucks, you know? So let's check out that other video or the other photos of another member on here. Maverick Truck Club. Member Jukebox Nero. He's got an Alto Blue Lariat with the Lux 2-liter Ecoboost all-wheel drive FX4 with a 4K tow package, spray and liner, hard roll-up cover. And those the factory, I believe. 235, 65, 17s. So I think it's a great looking color. I like colors like this blue and the green that kind of go from a dark looking color, you're not really sure what it is, and then in the light it has a second, it's almost like a flip-flop, what we used to call it, flip-flop, but it ain't really flipping and flopping unless you got it out in the sun. He complains a little bit about the way that the bed liner or the cover was installed. It's got a little gap, although he says nothing was wet inside. Cabin noise was good, acceleration good. He's comfortable. It does make a comment about the 2-inch headroom, increase in headroom if you do not get the moonroof. I haven't confirmed that, but that was new to me. Basically saying if you do get a moonroof in the Maverick, it reduces your headroom. That's possible. But he says he's got a lot of extra headroom. He says it makes it feel a lot bigger on the inside without getting the moonroof. And I thought there was going to be more photos, but there's not. Oh, yes, there is. Here we go. So I think it's beautiful. Beautiful truck. Beautiful truck. I love the black. I'm glad that they actually put some good wheels on the FX4 package. Gloss black wheels on a dark paint, or even the white looks really good. There's the paint. That's the Alto blue. I think it's great looking. That's great. That looks great. Bass boat. Got some glitter going on in there. And I don't know why they're taking the wheel off, but anyways, good looking truck. Guys, what do you think? Look at that paint. Would you look at that? Look at that paint. Would you look at that paint? Look at that with them black wheels on there and that paint just a popping. What a good little truck. What just a good little truck, man. What do you need more than that? Come on now. What else do you need, huh? Okay, could have a hybrid with the turbo, but then you'd be like a extra 10 grand probably, right? You know? Look at that. And I wanted to shout out to one of my subscribers, long-term Facebook buddy. Look at that paint. Little scratches in the clear there. That you just get that just from drying the car with a rag. What you can do, you can cut it and buff it out, even on a new car, and that thing will sparkle even more. This guy's got a nice little house. Look at all them bricks. Who is this guy? I like his style. I like this style. Good looking truck. Good looking scenery. Look at that. This guy's a photographer too, man. He knows exactly how to get them angles. Look at this. He's even got an angle from the top. Man, this truck is selling itself. They should be giving this guy some kickbacks on this. Huh? Look, what has he got, a log cabin too? Who is this man? Man, look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Look at them wheels. He even got down low. Look at that. He's taking one from the ground up. I hope this guy's like 60. Because he is killing it with these angles. Look at them LED lights. Look at them LED lights. He said he put 1,200 miles on it and got 26, 27 on the highway with his family in there. And that's good in my book. All right. So I've made a little post over here about this pickup truck. And my buddy said, hey, he said, it's not for me. I said, okay, fair enough. And my buddy, Facebook friend, posted this up. We were talking about mini trucks and tuning it. And it'd be a cool little sleeper. And now the guy that said it's not for him went and test drove one, and he went and bought one. He got XL with the turbo, and okay, so XL with the Ecoboost with a 4K tow package, and cool, man. Good for you, bro. That's the XL interior, and I don't know what he's got in there. He shoots archery, and yeah, he's got his bow and an ice scraper, and his Maverick. He's ready to roll. Don't mess with him. You might get a bow and arrow. I love the magnetic. I believe that's magnetic. That's the Mustang color. I'm not sure what they call it in this. The Steelies don't even look bad. I'm not even mad about the Steelies. That right there is like a $27,000 truck. I'm not completely positive. Okay, so this is the Ecoboost all-wheel drive, so it's gonna be a little more high-end. So this one does not have that's just the regular, doesn't have the spray-in bed liner or anything fancy. It doesn't have the cover. This is an XL with Ecoboost all-wheel drive because the hybrids aren't on the lots yet. There's the 2-liter Ecoboost. I thought that was cool, you know. So people are getting them in their hands, and, you know, congrats for all the new. You guys enjoy them. I'm ready to see some more reviews. I'm ready to test drive one myself. If you got one and you want me to review it, I'd love to. I'm in Southern California, Los Angeles area. Let me know in the comment sections what you guys think about the new Maverick and what your order spec was, and if you're excited to get your Ford Maverick. Hit the subscribe button, thumbs up if you liked the video, comment if you're new. Check in the next video.